Most people use Freecash the wrong way. They spend hours doing tiny surveys, and then wonder why their balance barely moves. But here's the truth no one tells you. The fastest earners on Freecash follow a completely different strategy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to earn Freecash coins fast in 2026. We'll cover the highest paying tasks, the biggest mistakes slowing people down, and the smart methods experienced users use to maximize rewards. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to understand is this. Not all Freecash offers pay equally. Surveys may seem easy, but they usually offer the lowest return for your time. The real money comes from game offers, app testing, and premium sign-up tasks. For example, Alex from New York completed a mobile strategy game offer that required reaching a certain level within a week. Instead of earning a few cents from surveys, he earned nearly $20 from one offer. Now here's where it gets interesting. The highest paying game offers are usually the ones most users avoid because they look complicated. But many of them can be completed faster with the right approach. But here's the problem. Most beginners randomly download games without checking the payout requirements first. That's a huge mistake. Before starting any offer, open the details carefully. Look for tasks that reward early milestones. Games with rewards for reaching level 5, level 10, or completing tutorials are usually the fastest wins. This is where most people fail. They start too many offers at once. Jake from Chicago tested this himself. When he focused on one high-paying offer at a time, his earnings increased dramatically because he stopped wasting progress across multiple apps. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest method to multiply your earnings without spending extra time. One of the fastest ways to earn more coins is through daily bonuses and leaderboard rewards. Freecash often gives extra coins for consistent activity. Logging in daily and completing small tasks can unlock surprisingly valuable bonus rewards over time. Another powerful strategy is referrals. If you invite friends who actually stay active, your referral earnings can grow passively in the background while you continue completing offers yourself. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Timing matters. Some offers pay more during promotional periods. Experienced users regularly check featured offers because payouts can temporarily increase for certain games and apps. Another smart move is using offer walls with strong tracking reputations. If an offer fails to track correctly, screenshots of progress can help you recover missing rewards through support. But remember this. Trying to cheat the system with VPNs, fake accounts or automated tools is one of the fastest ways to get banned. Freecash monitors suspicious activity closely. So here's the bottom line. The fastest way to earn Freecash coins is focusing on high-paying game offers, completing milestone-based tasks, using daily bonuses, and staying consistent instead of jumping randomly between offers. If you already use Freecash, comment below with the best paying offer you've completed so far. And if this guide helped you earn faster, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real online earning strategies that actually work.